Asante. Tupigie makofi.
The partners, the donors.
Today, we are very happy to become people who
direct beneficiaries. Of course, all of them will speak. Okay, please, just come. And then KCIC representative, just step forward, please. And then
this is the part of the Italian commitment in Kenya, and we are active in different areas, mainly on agricultural, water, and health systems. And we are active here since many years, and we will continue to do this in different countries, in different areas of the country.
The project basically will be dealing first of all with the component of production. We want to tackle all components of the value chain. That means production, transformation and marketing. That means that now we will start, actually we have already started last month with some trainings on permaculture, on composting and soil fertility, so that our beneficiaries will be able to establish communal gardens. They will also establish farms of aloe, and we'll also introduce them later on some apiaries for the production of honey.
Mambo ya asali. Wewe mwenyewe na group yako mtafanya nini tofauti kusudi hiyo mradi iwe ya kuletea tofauti? Na ningewasihi sana sana, manake mara mingi tunaangalia maendeleo kama ni vile tu kujenga kitu. La, sio hiyo. Kujenga ni nusu yake. Ile nusu ingine ni mabadiliko ambayo sisi wenyewe katika maisha yetu ama katika kutenda kazi kwetu ile tutafanya ili tuweze kuwa na manufaa ya ile imejengwa.